The number one mistake new Skool owners make. Now, I've been on the platform for 2 years now, and I've seen this mistakes done by literally hundreds and hundreds of people, and hundreds of them coming back and saying, "Oh my God, this was such a bad idea," which is to work on your course before you have anybody inside or you know your market. Most people spend literally like 10 hours to 100 hours building a course before letting anybody in. And this is probably one of the worst things that you could ever do, especially if you're new. If you already have like a social media and you can do a quick launch that way, so sure, like it makes sense to have something built out. But if you're completely new, then you probably just have to talk to people. And therefore, building a course is just stopping you from talking to people. I think that's something that I did very well at the beginning of my own journey. Not to flex because I didn't even monetize the community, which was I built this community to 1.7K members, and we basically had no course, which actually became limited later on. Anyway, don't build a course. Talk to more people. Value. Bye.